What's going on, world, man? YouTube, what's up, y'all? I know it's been a while. I know my videos are coming back out and it's being sporadic, but there's a lot of stuff in the background. It's not easy, doing stuff like this for free and just recording everything that you do. But I got a new video for y'all today. We going back to the Castrol Edge. It's been about 10 months or so since I did the engine flush. The engine flush is there too. So we're gonna do another one again, and I'm just gonna give you my feel on how it feels after I drive. Right now it's very rough. I feel like when I'm pressing the gas, it's breathing real loud, a hard rev. But nothing wrong with the transmission, so I'm thinking it's the engine again. So this is where we're at. So if you're having this problem and it's something like you're pressing the gas and it feels like it's not really wanting to go, and honestly you need an oil change for sure. I'm thinking that's what it is, right? And I think just the change in the climate in New York right now just kind of messed it up on the end. And also I think I have a slight oil leak. So if I have an oil leak, I think over time though, as the oil gets down, it starts to react differently with the truck, especially an older vehicle. So I think that's the problem. So I'm gonna do an engine flush, and I'm gonna give you my opinion on it after we drive or whatever. But like I said, it's very loud. If you can hear it, the car is loud. Not like noise loud, but just like loud. It's not silent. Normally you have a car that's silent. You're like, oh, I can't even hear it. This one you hear it. Everything is loud. So, and we had this problem in the past, and then I've did things like this, and it fixed. So hopefully this is the fix. I'm just recording beforehand. I'm gonna get down and dirty today in a little while. Stay tuned. Oh, we got the car lifted. Oh man, I just made a mistake, y'all. So I wanted to do the engine flush, and I didn't. Damn. Guess it's just a plain oil change this time. But look at that, looking horrible. Again, car is elevated. Hey, oil dripped out. I just put the plug back in. I put the new oil filter in there. And pretty much all I gotta do is fill. So just dump all this in, and then we start the engine up. And then I'm gonna test drive it, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on if I knew it was the oil that needed to get changed. But it definitely was. The oil is black as hell, man. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. So I'm going with, I had the Castrol conventional last time. So now I'm gonna go back to the Edge. I had Edge conventional and now Edge. So this is the third time I Edge. Honestly, I didn't like the conventional, so let's see if the Edge does better. And I'm just gonna do the flush on my other truck instead of me returning it. I'm just gonna do the flush on the other truck, and then we'll do a flush on this one, next oil change. So me rushing ended up, messing that up, but it is what it is. Let's see. I see the oil is in. If I want, I could add a oil stabilizer to this one, but pretty much it's done at this point. And I just dropped the car. Let's drop it. First time, let's turn it on. So I already know the engine is going to drive better. It still sounds loud, but it's going to settle down. And let's just drop it. Emergency brake. Drop it. Gotta go through the cycles. But show you this dirty oil, man. Look at that. So definitely was the problem. Like I said, it sounds real loud. You hear the rattle, you hear the engine roaring, you hear that. And it's gonna settle down. Just see, that's what it's supposed to do. Yep. So honestly, I think my timing chain gotta get replaced, repaired, something. But yeah, it's supposed to settle down, and we're gonna see how it drives. Give you the update on that in a while. All right, this is 2 minutes later or 3 minutes later. So you can still hear it's pretty loud, but it definitely settled down. And it'll keep on going even more. Depending on the oil might keep it loud. But this is what I'm trying to maintenance right now. All right, guys, so I got truck number 2 on. I'm gonna do the oil change on this one, but it's pretty simple. Like again, we're gonna put this in the engine, we're gonna leave it running, and we leave it running for 5 minutes or so, turn it off, and then we're gonna do the oil change. So let's get it done, all right? Good. It's in. That's it. Leave it running. 5 minutes or so. And that's it, man. Let's see how it runs, or let's see how it does. But that's how you do the flush. Pretty simple. Now you do oil change right there, right after this. Man, so we're gonna fill up. Finish the oil change. It's the old one, the old oil look. And obviously it's filled with the motor flush. And that's it, man. Oil change done. So it may seem like nothing, but I'm pretty sure it's doing a lot on the inside. So